What? At the world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? Hey, franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effecting, don't it? You know it go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. What? The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch on people, watch what go on. Me my red and black clocks today, you hear that? A jungle style and a lollipop thing, is it? And on a lollipop thing, boy, you hear me? Watch. So here what go on right about now. Ask the bloggers them if them not see what go on in other country. You know what I mean? With all this crime and escalate and thief and robbery and murder. And I see some man, you know, them restrain them channel from that. So them run away from that. So all them want do a propaganda mix up an artists. So them afraid for leak out on the system, but them don't afraid for call artist name. So here we go on now. From the year start, I see everybody a pressure the youth name Rising King. When you forgot say this local youth are just reaching in 20s and them shit, right? When you forgot, and watch now, everything the youth do, you know, it is a big problem with you know. When him say certain words where, you know what I mean, him style it theme way, when you come down upon the man with be a little joke gimmicks thing and I go like you know want gimmicks out the youth and all kind of shit. Yo, Rising King is a youth, you know. And see to me, you know, say him is a youth. More time when him go on with him stuff, me as a man, I not really to pay too much attention to that because I saw you go on worse. Him find himself with success. Youth are got hype out there and everybody know for angle them thing there. If you have big grown people hype, much less a youth like that. What not talk about? And furthermore, to the thing that I see him go on with, differently from some words where him call, or him go on, a so entertainer go on, and some of them go on even worse than that. Is what I deal with. But the reason why I say all of this, you know, me say, a whole heap of blogger come out and I call up the man name. You know. You see most of them bloggers they were here call up the man name. For them artists can't do nothing wrong for them, you know. Yeah, me never hear Alkaline do nothing wrong for the man them yet. Me hear tell Big Beanie Man for go suck out his mother. And me never hear no while out about that. And say the look of you now no manners. Or if you tell Beanie Man, you talk to the man, you look how much words you can use. You send the big man up underneath his mother. Alkaline has no career to Beanie Man when you talk about entertainment business. Him not a career to move order, much more Beanie Man. I'm here and I tell him I'm a big man for suck out his mother. And I never hear none of them tell him say, yo, I eat that thing that you do look at you. You can't deal with a big man like that. Or if you deal with a big man like that, you know what I mean? What do you achieve in a music thing over the man that you feel like you can just bust in a music and send the man up underneath him mother? Mother understand if you and him have a physical fight and him slap you up or some shit and you are rebel but like that, you know what I mean? The man say Alkaline say him now work at Jamaica and you tell the man go suck out him mother. And nobody me not hear no say nothing. The man go up on Winford Williams, you know, and I violate the big man and me never hear none of them say that. You know what I mean? Him tell her, you know, say him bring in specialists, you know, come put in him tattoo, you know. Good, respect my virgin. All right. Him say him bring in specialists from foreign, you see? And doctor there. With him tattoo artist, he tattoo him eye. When Wilfred find out, say, well then, a fool in his matter. You see me? When the man find out, say, a contact lens him put in. And the man rise it up on him. And suppose you see how him deal with the man on him own a program. I never hear none of them come out, come talk about that. But me as a man, you know, Me's not a blogger like Uni, you know, my brethren. I thought to tell Uni, you know, say me's a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, you know. You see what I deal with? Because I don't think not credible, you know, that's why I'm not follow up on the thing, you know. I'm not run through the program, you know, my brethren. Because my style different, you know what I mean? And you know the truth means a man talk, so I can't follow nobody. I have to ask you to come with the truth. So I beg you now, leave off of the local youth name alone. Make the youth can exhale and breathe a local. Allow the youth. You see what I deal with? Enough more fucker go on in an entertainment thing and in the country than that. But you just choose to just speak upon the local youth alone. You come off of the youth, man. You know what I mean? A real thing. Because as bad as Sting be, him nah go around and not diss up no bigger artist than him. Him nah do that. Him show artists respect. Like how him show the world boss respect. This look a you thief world boss style and him image and everything. And him say him act like him not rate the world boss and him not rate no artist were bigger than him. And that me I tell you. Remember, you know, when the man does all a bust out, you know, man, and I'm tired for talk this, you know, Winfred asked him about Gage and Tommy Lee, you know, and him stop the man in a nigga him argument and said the man the thing laid it, you know. I mean, I know how him feel right about now, you know. Because around 2 years now, he must struggle for its song business, you know, and not tell him that. But you not jump up on the local youth. You leave the local youth alone. You know the country youth them talk different from Kingstonian, you know. So more while the man all say something and me hear now gimmicks out the local youth, you know. And I go like say, you know, I don't know what no one. The youth, him could have do anything bad out the road, you know, just like enough local youth, you know. And the man come on a bus as an entertainer. Load the local youth and ease up off of the local youth. But here we go on, dash with that. Here we go on now, Gaza Nation. I want to say to the Prime Minister, Mr. Onis, you see what I deal with? If the DA, right? If the DA, the district attorney, do nothing wrong, you know what I mean? In no form of case at all, we go on. And the police them who bring evidence. If them do nothing wrong, in a no case at all, I want to know what's the penalty for them and who did for all them responsible for the wrong act with them create. Because the district attorney know I pay them get paid and for keep them mouth shut for lack of vibes cartel. And everybody know that. And Mr. Honest, you are the big man in the seat, you know, so all fingers are going to point on you, you know. Because the police them say, you know, them have video, you know, with the man, you know, I commit the act, you know. And them claim them are going to take all DNA and all of them stuff there, you know. And them claim them have new metal where them get from the state, you know. You see what I deal with? All of them shit there was a lie, you know. All of them, all the way you hear them talk, say them just put out that out there for feed the people them outside the road with and then lock up the man and them can't carry none of them things there where them claim say them did have forward, you know. Don't go fuck with them have the phone voice message, you know. And everybody know, you know. Say when you take the man phone and rigmarole what you want in it, you know. Because the message was all a deal, you know, was all before even all lizard, claim lizard dead, you know. The message was upon the phone, you know, was before even that, you know. You know what I mean? And be a rigmarole and false evidence in the case. I mean, not hear nobody draw up these people, you know. These people who we put in charge, you know what I mean, for deal with law and order. And instead of them deal with law and order in the right justice way, them go and deal with it like a them household. You know what I mean? So them do whatever them want to do. And nobody not dead if they say nothing. And that me I say, nobody not dead if they say nothing. So I want to say to Mr. Honest, if the prosecutor wrong, then, or if the prosecutor mix up with nobody at all. Whether it want be politician, money man, rich man, whether you want to call it. And they keep up no folly in the courthouse. Me say, who there for all them responsible? And that more I know, who there for all them responsible? Because as far as I'm concerned, the police, them will claim say them have the evidence them and lock up the man. And the district attorney, I think them supposed to underneath investigation. Who put up these people to this thing? Who put up these people to this thing? You know what I mean? Right now, me don't know why evil takes so long. Because it look like a spite when you want to spite the man, so not draw this thing just to hold him down in them more. So me don't know what going on, because I see man a commit all murder and I know say him and let him go. You see what I deal with? And this man, you can't prove that this man killed nobody. You cannot prove it. You don't have no evidence, no proof whatsoever. But the man still there jail. Still there prison, right? And nobody now say nothing about that. Yo, Mr. Honest, you need to take control of your house properly, my virgin. Because you are the big man we're in charge, So you need to take responsible, for your house, and hold people for them wrong action, You need to sweep out the house right and out now, and get the house clean, A whole heap of people, A whole heap of intelligent, sophisticated people you have who are graduate from university with big bachelor and all kind of thing, You need to sweep up the room, and come fresh, with some new people and fresh young people, We have them head on them body, Not people who take money from people and people are dictate to them, and them do what them feel like, Not because you feel like you have some big police in the force, You feel like you can go rigmarole the system to phone like, Nobody above the law, my virgin. That's how it's supposed to be, Nobody supposed to above the law. A big lollipop thing when you go on with. And let me tell you something, Mr. Honest. The longer you take, for sweep out your house and get it clean, all things go point on you, because you are the big man in the thing, You see what I deal with? And a lollipop thing, So my question to Mr. Honest, I say if the district attorney a lie or collect money from people for do them act, and police a lie and do the same thing, what's the penalty for that? Who come forward and put them people in the right and proper system for when them go on with wrongdoing stuff? And that more I know. Who? Because you not go like them right when everybody say them wrong. You know what I mean? Everybody say them wrong. Everybody will follow the say them wrong. So me don't know what I do and why the thing are all up so long. You go over the page them already because you claim how much page I think. And you go over it already and now you claim so you have to go back over it again. So I want to know if when you go over it the first time, if I confuse you not confused. That means you can't deal with the thing then. You is not professional enough. That's not going to work then. Why take on so long? But it never take on that long for prosecute the man. That's what I say. It never take on that long for prosecute the man. So the aim was just to prosecute him. You never know all of this that come around. Let me tell you something, The more on hold out and the more on cut on the eye blind to certain things, the more we are going to sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment and people are going to know who it is. You know what I mean? And no one is not for the poor people them. One is not for them. You know what I mean? One have to friend them and one feel like say in our league. But here what I say. Free world boss right now. And a lollipop thing. The general, the 10-star one, I represent. What?